Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. Today I start very important short question from your prose section of HS second year English. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ত মই তোমালোকৰ আগত তোমালোকৰ অহা HS প্ৰি ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2024-25 আৰু HS ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2025 প্ৰস্তুতি হকে তোমালোকৰ ইংলিছৰ ফ্লামিঙ্গো টেক্সটবুকৰ পৰা 15টা চমু প্ৰশ্নৰ আনসাৰ লৈ আহিছোঁ। আশা কৰিম এই 15টা শর্ট কোশ্চিন আনসারে তোমালোকৰ অহা পৰীক্ষাসমূহত প্ৰস্তুতিত সহায় কৰিব। গতিকে দেৰি নকৰি বলাচোন সেই 15টা শর্ট কোশ্চিন কি আৰু সেইখিনি কেনেকৈ আমি সমাধান কৰিব পাৰো সেইখিনি জানিবলৈ প্ৰয়াস কৰক। কোশ্চিন 1, then the baby scented their baby বু ইয়াতে কোৱা হৈছে কি then the babies scented their baby বু ইয়াতে কোশ্চিনটো দিয়া হৈছে what is baby বু তাৰমানে baby বু কি, what is it called ইয়াক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়। এইটো তোমালোকৰ বহুতেই হয়তো এইটো প্ৰশ্ন নামেই শুনা নাই। দিস ইজ কাম ফ্ৰম ইয়ৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেপ্টাৰ দ্য লাষ্ট লেসন। আনসারটো দেখা। Question number 1, the baby বু sound refers to the sound produced while they were reciting the French alphabets. যেতিয়া সেই এমহেমেলৰ লাষ্ট ক্লাছত সেই ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকে যেতিয়া বেবি কৈছিল সিহঁতে ফ্ৰেঞ্চ লেংগুৱেজত এই এলফাবেটখিনি কি কৰিছিল, সিহঁতে ৰিচাইটিং কৰিছিল। এইটো কি বুজাইছিল 2 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, দ্য বেবি বু signifies that even the toddler were attentive on the last day and learn everything religiously. Next, তোমালোকে next question to aha. Next question to কোৱা হৈছে, why did M. Hamel not blame France alone for his inability to learn? কিয় M. Hamel মাথোন ফ্ৰান্সকে তেওঁ শিকাৰ কাৰণে আগ্ৰহী যে নাছিল, ইনএবিলিটি আছিল, তেওঁকে ব্লাম কৰা না বা দোষাৰোপ কৰা নাছিল। আনসার, M. Hamel did not blame France alone for his inability to learn because everyone like him put off the learning till tomorrow. He blamed the parents who preferred to put their children to work on a farm or at the mills to earn money. He also blamed himself for sending the students to water his flowers and for giving them a holiday when he wanted to go to fishing. Next question লৈ আহা। Next questionত কোৱা হৈছে, what are M. Hamel's view about French language? M. Hamelৰ French languageৰ প্ৰতি কি ভিউ আছিলে? According to M. Hamel, the French language was the most beautiful, the clearest and the logical language in the world. He told the French people to guard it among them and never forget it because their language was the key to their prison. Now come to question from Lost Spring. Okay, Lost Spring or question কেইটামান আমি পঢ়ো। What is the significance of bangles in an Indian society? ভারতীয় সমাজত চুরির তাৎপর্যপূর্ণ কি বা তাৎপর্যটো কি? In Indian society, the bangle symbolized an Indian woman's suhag, auspiciousness in marriage. It signifies sanctity in the society. And Indian bride always wears red bangles in her wrist. Indian society shows value and respect to a married woman who wear bangles. Now come to the next question. Next question to say, what is the irony inherent in Sahib's full name? Sahibor full name thoka irony to ki asil? Sahib's full name is Sahibi Alam. Sahibi Alam, which means Lord of Universe. But Sahib does not know the meaning of his name. Ironically, being Lord of the Universe, he roams the street with some other replicants in Delhi to look for gold in the garbage dumps. Here, the Lord of Universe is a replica. So this is the irony inherent his name. Now come to question number next 6 number hobo. What is Firozabad famous for and why? Firozabad kihor babe ar kio bikkhato? Firozabad is famous for its bangles. Every family in Firozabad is engaged in making bangles. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry, where families have spent generations working around furnace, welding, glass, making bangles for all the women in India. Next question number 7 hobo. Why was Gandhi not allowed to draw water from the oil? Gandhi kyo eto Indigor pora aise Gandhi kyo he oil mane kuar pora pani tuliboloi অনুমতি দেয়া হওয়া নাছিল. The servants at Rajendra Prasad House knew Shukla as a poor farmer who was after their master to keep the indigo sharecroppers. As Shukla was accompanying Gandhi, they mistook him to be another peasant and so let them stay on the grounds, but Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the oil because the servants presumed him to be untouchable like Shukla. Next, why do you think Gandhi considered the Samparan episode to be the turning point in his life? Gandhi কিয় নিজকে সম্পূৰ্ণৰ এপিসোড বা ঘটনাটো নিজৰ জীৱনত টাৰ্নিং পইণ্ট বুলি বিবেচনা কৰিছিল. Gandhi considered the Samparan episode to be turning point in his life because it elevated the distress of the poor peasant of Samparan, challenging the British authorities. It helps the Indians to stand on their own feet. It also showed that Gandhi could not be ordered in his own country. Okay. Now come to the another question. When and where was the annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party? देखा the annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party was held in Lucknow in December 1916. Now come to question from going places. What theme does the story going places explore? Going places story কি explore করিছে কি প্রকাশ কৰিব বিচাৰিছে কি বুজাব বিচাৰিছে In the story Going Places A.R. Burton explores the theme of adolescence and fantasizing and hero worship. This story consists in the imagination story and heroism of adolescence. Next, what other dream Sophie had beside having a boutique? Boutique থাকার উপরিও Sophie আর কি dream আছিল? Beside having a boutique, Sophie had some other dreams. He wanted to be a manager or an actress or a fashion designer like Mary Quant. Next, how does Denikazi look like? How does Denikazi look like? Denikazi was a short stature-man who had green eyes. Sophie visualized his appearance as having gentle green eyes. Now come to the question from Memoirs of Chota Sahib. ইয়াতে দেখা give a brief description of the Peacock Island. The Peacock Island located close to the forest officers. ইয়াতে Peacock Islandৰ বিষয়ে এটি চমু বৰ্ণনা দিব দিছে গতিকে আনসাৰটো এনেকৈ লিখিবা The Peacock Island located close to the forest officers bungalow on the bank of the Brahmaputra in Guwahati. There was Hindu temple on it. The author never discovered peacock but only monkeys on the island. It refers to the present-day Umanando in Guwahati. Next, what is a marboat and how is it operated? Marboat to ki aru ya kenekoi operate kora hoy? Crossing are made in a marboat which is a ferry consisted of a plank platform covering two open boats placed alongside one another. A marboat is operated either by paddling across the river or by connecting by a running cable to another stretched across the river, which people from one side to the other side by the force of the current. Now come to the last question of this video, that is 15 number. What unusual visitor did Rontri have in his bungalow on night? এদের এখন রাতি রন্ট্রি তেওর বাংলাত কি unusual অপরিচিত ভিজিটর দেখা পাইছিল John Rontri mentioned that the unusual visitor was a tiger which was perhaps washed up by a flood. He also informed that he got the pug mark of the large cat which were seen in their compound. So, my dear students, এইখিনি আছিলে আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ বিষয়বস্তু আশা কৰিছোঁ আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত মই আলোচনা কৰা এই 15টা কোশ্চিনে তোমালোকৰ অহা প্ৰি ফাইনেল আৰু ফাইনেল এক্সামিনেশ্যনত সহায় কৰিম। থেংক ইউ ফৰ ৱাচিং।